Today we're going to look at this. Tea break. Hello again, mid-1970 here, and I haven't done a video for a while because I've been spending a lot of time doing some work on the old shed behind me, and I've condensed it down, and here's a 2-minute video for you to enjoy. Well, this is the project for today. As you can see, my tin shed has been attacked by 10 weevils. Well, it's been standing for 30 years, so I have to cut this wall out and rebuild. Right, so the first step is to remove all this old wooden insulation from inside. So we can actually see where all of the tin weevils have been, and it's pretty bad. I've now got 2 panels out. So I've now taken out the whole side because I'm going to rebuild it completely, as I did that side the other weekend. Next step is completed, new framework is built. The glass is now in, so finish off making it watertight and then put the wooden cover on the inside of the wall. Okay, the flashing is installed underneath the windows and now above the top of the windows as well. So next step is to put the tin sheets on. First of the new reclaimed panels fitted. Shed side is now finished. Unbelievable to think that the old side didn't even touch the floor, it had rotted away that much. But that should give me plenty more years of active service. And it's had a really good dose of anti-tin weevil medicine. So hopefully it should last another 30 years before I need to do it again. It'll certainly outlive me. And that's the end of another project. So, thank you for watching, and please remember, if you enjoy my videos, to like and subscribe. I'll see you again very soon. Bye bye for now.